My dollars are my soldiers. I send them out there to go out to make money. And if they're not making money, I need to redirect them. I need to refocus them. I need to move them. Hello everyone, my name is Kaseem. Welcome to $1 Million Challenge. So in today's video, we are going to talk about the communication sector of my portfolio. I run my own portfolio. Okay, this is a portfolio of $100,000 and I have an IRA portfolio of $8,000 that I run, and I do videos about it. That is what I do on this channel. I'm a tour host, I do Uber and Lyft, and I'm an investor. I manage my own money. So I also have two other things that I do, which is on YouTube. I have this finance channel, and I also have a beats channel because I love beats and I like using it in things that I do. Everything that you need will be in the description below, including links to sign up for all these portfolio setups if you want to have yours set up as well. Let's get to today's video. In the last video, we talked about two things. We talked about Verizon. What I talked about in that video is talking about why I am selling Verizon. So in today's video, we are going to talk about something a little bit different. We are going to talk about the next company that I'm going to sell out of that portfolio, which is the ETF of the communication sector. It's a Vanguard ETF. Vanguard Communication Service ETF. I'm gonna get rid of this and invest that money in other places. First things first, I added this company into my portfolio May 17th of 2021. Okay, that's when I added the company into the portfolio. The company has been in my portfolio for 2021 to 23, coming up 3 years, right? 2 years, really think about it, but the years don't really matter. If we look here, I've earned a whopping $3.75 within 2 years. That's very low. Granted, I don't have much in there neither. I have $200. Every single dime that I manage is absolutely important to me. Every single dime that I manage, because it's not easy to come across money. It's not easy to make money. And if you guys can see here, I have almost 2 shares of this company. I purchased it at $225 at an average of $116 a share. Barely pays dividend, low expense ratio, 3 billion in AUM, asset under management. Now, let's go and do the fundamentals on this. It's not too difficult. So here is the fundamental tool that I used. Shout out to Qualtron. It's a YouTuber that I follow very well. I really love his work on YouTube. So he's the one that designed and created this. So you should go check him out. His name is Joseph Carlson on YouTube. But shout out to the software. It has really helped in analyzing and helping out my portfolio and everything like that. Carlson, shout out to you. I appreciate you. Thank you. Even though it's a paid service, but it's very cheap. It's like $10 and you have his Discord and everything like that. If we look at this chart here, year to date, everything has been going up because everything has been going up in the past year. And that's why I'm using this opportunity to sell some companies that, might be a little bit up, they've just been going up. That's year to date is up 11%. So within the past 5 years, this particular stock, it's up 23%. And if you look at 10 years, it's up about 33% in 10 years. All time, it's up about 113%. If I took that money and put it into Tesla, even $15 that I put into Tesla stock way back in the days has grown way faster than this. So that's why I'm moving my money out. And if we look at the average, the all-time, right, and I'm sure we're missing some dates here. They've probably been around for a long time. But let's take the average here, right? We can see that the stock is usually, if we look at the average time here, right, average, the stock is usually within $60 to maybe $100. As of today, the stock is currently $105. So I'm going to take this opportunity to sell out of the stock because pretty much haven't done much ever since I had it. I'm going to move money out of here and move it into another place. Lastly, let's take a look at the dividend. So the all-time here that we have, let's see this, let me check this on an annual basis, much easier. We can see that the dividend payment has been going down, and obviously this is an ETF. An ETF is a basket of stocks that companies create, and those companies are investment companies that goes out and buy individual companies, and they package it up into one basket, and you buy it. Then once you buy that one basket, you buy the entire company. You guys can see the dividend has just been going down. There's nothing I can say here. The dividend has been going down. The party's over with this one. They just sell it and keep it pushing. So as you guys can see, we checked out the numbers. It just don't make sense to keep this $200 here. It will make sense to move it to a different part of the portfolio where it can serve, it can serve better. Because as an investor, that is the main thing. Your main job is to make sure that you put money in the places where it serves you. Make sure your money grows, because your money is there to work for you, to serve you. And at this current rate, this money here is not serving me well. Matter of fact, is losing me value. Since 2001, I've lost money on inflation, and also it hasn't earned any dividend. And at the same time, it's just gone down in value. So it's time to let it go. It is what it is. We'll move on to the next one. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you for watching today's video. If you have any comments, questions, suggestion, please leave it in the description box. I'm really looking forward to engaging with you guys and, being more involved, and we'll go from there. I appreciate you. Until next time, see you later. Love you all. Bye.